Operating heavy equipment can be dangerous if the right precautions aren't taken. In just 90 seconds, let's go over the essentials of heavy equipment safety to keep you and your coworkers safe. Safety starts before the engine does. Always perform a thorough pre-operational check. Inspect your equipment for any signs of wear, leaks, or damage. Make sure mirrors, lights, and alarms are working. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your first line of defense. Whether it's a hard hat, high-visibility vest, gloves, or safety boots, always gear up to protect yourself from potential hazards. While operating the equipment, stay focused. Keep both hands on the controls and never use your phone. Always ensure the area around the equipment is clear of people, and use your horn to signal when moving. Heavy equipment has large blind spots, so always check your surroundings. Use a spotter or signal person to guide you in tight spaces and establish clear communication with those around you. When the job is done, safely park the equipment, turn it off, and secure it to prevent accidental movement. Report any issues immediately to ensure it's ready for the next use. Heavy equipment can make tough jobs easier, but only if it's handled safely. Remember, inspect before use, stay focused, and protect yourself and others. Safety on the job site starts with you.